Happy Durga Puja to everyone, and in Durga Puja we all eat Bhog khichuri, and so today I will be sharing the recipe for Bhuna khichuri along with some tomato chutney and pure veg Aloo Dum. And please do like and subscribe the channel if you like the video. For the Bhuna khichuri, first I am going to dry roast 1 cup of moong dal, and we are going to dry roast until a very nutty aroma comes from the dal, and then we will wash it. Next, let's dry roast some spices. Here I have added 2 bay leaves, 2 red chilli, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 1 black cardamom, 2 green cardamom, and 4 to 5 cloves. Then I'll be frying some kaju, a handful of kaju and handful of raisins in 2 tablespoons of ghee. After frying the kaju and kishmish, now I'll be frying some Bhog rice, or you can use basmati rice. This rice is thoroughly washed, and now I'm frying it in some ghee. The rice is nicely fried, so I'll take it out now. Now I'll give a tadka. I have used here 2 tablespoons of ghee, 1 tablespoon of jeera, 1 bay leaf, and 2 dry red chili, and this is the tadka for our Bhuna khichuri. Next I'm going to add our fried rice and dal. Next goes salt according to the taste, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, and then we are going to mix everything together. In this stage the flame of the stove should be low, and then after mixing everything together we are going to add at least 2 glasses of water, and then we will put on the lid and let it cook in low flame. As the khichuri is being cooked, now I'll make some tomato chutney. I have added 1 tablespoon of mustard oil and then 2 big tomato slices. Then I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, salt according to the taste, and then I'll mix everything together and let it cook in low flame. Now let's check the khichuri once. In this stage I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, and then again let it cook in low flame. Next, let's check the tomato chutney. The tomatoes are nicely cooked, so I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of sugar, and then I'll just give it a nice mix. This I have cooked in low flame, so you should be very careful because everything should be cooked in low flame. The dry masalas are also roasted nicely, so I'll blend them into fine powder. The water is absorbed and the dal and the chawal is also nicely cooked, so I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of sugar. Next goes the fried dry fruits, and then we are going to add the dry roasted masala which I have made into powder. Now I'll mix everything together, and our Bhuna khichuri is almost done. The chawal and the dal is also nicely cooked. You can see it has a texture of a fried rice. And on the other side our tomato chutney is also ready. As the chutney and khichuri is ready, let's make the Aloo Dum. So I have taken here 4 big sized potatoes which I have boiled, and now I have added salt according to the taste, and 1 tablespoon of haldi, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of jeera powder, and 1 tablespoon of dhania powder. And now I simply break the potatoes little bit so that our gravy becomes thick. And this way you have to break the potatoes little bit. You don't have to mash the potatoes fully, but it has to be partially broken. And now I'm just mixing everything together, and then I'll simply add some water. So I have added at least 1 glass of water in the Aloo Dum, and now I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, and then I'll let it boil and reduce the water little bit, and then the gravy will be ready. Our Aloo Dum will be totally ready. So the Bhuna khichuri is ready along with some tomato chutney and Aloo Dum. And this thali is incomplete without some bengun bhaja, which is brinjal fry. So if you like the recipe, please do like and subscribe the channel, and bye bye for today.